you give me one or two significant change in your life, specifically, yung quality of life when we started working together? Ano yung mga nabago sa buhay mo personally?
Yun nga, number one, of course, mas na-lessen yung stress. At the same time, mas nagtiwala ka sa mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo.
Nice.
Ganun.
I like that. Nice to know. At least, nandun na yung deep trust mo kasi those people is alam mo na may nag-train na sa kanila ng expert.
Yes.
At the same time, alam na nila yung ginagawa nila, kaya you're gonna trust them no matter what. Although, yes, as a CEO, gusto mo pa rin naman maging hands-on so you have to double check din. And it's your right, di ba? And napapansin ko rin, nakakapag-travel ka na ng matagal.
Yeah.
Mga 1 week, ganyan.
Totoo.
Because you have someone na, not only me, syempre, there's a lot of directors din inside the company, may mga managers din na napapagkatiwalaan mo na rin, right?
Kaya pag nag-Europe ako, kailangan mas lalong, di ba, syempre, si Sabi maganda na. Pag lalong gumanda, pwede na ako mag-Europe lalo.
1 month.
15 days yun
Anyway, Mitch, thank you so much.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate everything talaga. Pero that's all. And this is Michelle Ferro Alfonso, the CEO of Donut Park. And that's it. Thank you, guys.